Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos from me, Richard, Paramarket Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday, 4th of April. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which has shown signs of looking to turn a corner again. We had that sort of week and a half, 2 week period where euro dollar fell fairly consistently back towards that 11.75 level of support. That then rallied off that support, and we've started to see the momentum indicators turning a bit of a corner. Now, you had that reaction high at around 12.55, 12.60 yesterday. I've been talking recently about how the fact that on the hourly chart we've got this resistance band of 12.50, 12.60, which is effectively, if you break out above 12.60 on a sort of closing basis, I suppose, but also on the hourly chart you could argue it, that would imply a little bit of a base pattern, but we haven't yet broken that level, and it is clearly a line of resistance in the last sort of week or so where we've been sort of bumping up against and then pulling back lower again. So it still is the case today. Now that you've got a slightly more positive configuration on the hourly momentum, 60 on the RSI has been or was limiting on the way down. That started to sort of turn a corner, but again, even then today we've started to see the RSI dropping back, MACD lines dropping back a bit. So there is still a lack of intent behind this recovery, and until you see a decisive move above 12, I think 12.60, and then on a closing basis 12.60 would be ideal, then I think that would start to generate more positive momentum, and you'd start to see the stochastics likely backing up into a crossover buy signal confirmed. RSI is above 40, which again suggests a bit of a pickup, but nothing really decisive yet in this recovery. So as I said, you need to see more, I think, before getting too excited about it. Now, in terms of your support, initially you'd say 12.12, $1 12.12, which is that reaction over there, which is a little bit of a pivot on this hourly chart as well, as you can see here, $1 12.12. So initially supportive. If you went below that, that would be a big disappointment. It'd also be below this old low from November, so it is a level to watch, I think, initially. And obviously the key support is 11.75, which is that March low, but 11.80 was that recent low there a couple of days ago. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.